Ever wondered how you can contribute to a greener planet right from your backyard? Enter composting, a simple and natural process that transforms your everyday kitchen scraps into a nutrient-rich soil conditioner. It's like magic, turning waste into wealth, but it's science. Composting not only reduces the amount of waste we send to landfills, but also enriches our gardens, making them thrive like never before. So why not give it a go? Turn your kitchen scraps into a rich, organic soil conditioner with composting. Composting might seem complex, but it's actually quite simple when you break it down. Let's begin with the collection of organic waste. We're talking about vegetable peels, coffee grounds, eggshells, leaves, all the good stuff that we often toss in the trash. Next, we've got the layering process. This is your chance to play architect. You'll want to create layers of green and brown materials. Green materials are rich in nitrogen and include items like grass clippings and fresh leaves. Brown materials, on the other hand, are high in carbon and include items like dried leaves and twigs. Now let's talk about the decomposition period. This is where the magic happens. Microorganisms break down the organic material into a rich, earthy substance we call compost. This process can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months, depending on the balance of your materials and the conditions of your compost pile. With patience and a little care, you'll have your own nutrient-packed compost in no time. Now, you hold the power to make a difference. The magic of composting lies in your hands, and it's easier than you might think. By starting your composting journey, you're not only enriching your garden, but also contributing to a healthier planet. Remember, good things take time, and composting is no exception. The rewards, however, are bountiful and well worth the wait. Give composting a try and watch your garden thrive like never before. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips.